Replacing Pandas or Numpy Nan with a Nun to use with mysqlDB. I am trying to write a Pandas data frame, or can use a Numpy array, to a MySQL database using mysqlDB. MysqlDB doesn't seem understand Nan and my database throws out an error saying Nan is not in the field list. I need to find a way to convert the Nan into a nonotype. Any ideas?
Bogatron has it right, you can use where. It's worth noting that you can do this natively in Pandas. Note, this changes the dtype of all columns to object. Example. Note, what you cannot do: recast the data frame's dtype to allow all data types, using a stype, and then the data frame film a method. Unfortunately, neither this, nor using replace, works with Nun. See this, closed, issue. As an aside, it's worth noting that for most use cases you don't need to replace Nan with Nun. See this question about the difference between Nan and Nun in Pandas. However, in this specific case it seems you do, at least at the time of this answer.
Note, for Pandas versions 1.4, this changes the type of all affected columns to object. To avoid that, use this syntax instead. Credit goes to this guy here on this GitHub issue in Killian Weig's comment.
You can replace Nan with Nun in your Numpy array.
After stumbling around, this worked for me.